solve the question. We'll solve it together. We'll solve. I just want the audience to solve first. Let's see everyone's suggestion. Roy B can explain since we have same answer. Okay. So this question is similar to the first one we solved, right? So maybe I should just take it. Please type continue so I can go to the next question. So for the sake of those that are saying they don't understand, please let me just explain this briefly, then we'll move on. See, we have to evaluate this, right? So look at this. See what we have here. This is the first one. The first value here is -1. This is the -1. So for the first value you have in row, first row, first column, that means all the value under the first row and the first column, cover them. Can you see I'm covering them? So what you can see left is 1, -1, 2, and 1. That's why we have it here. Then move on to the second number. What you're working on is on the first row. So the second value on the second column, first row, is -1. Don't cross that one. So we have -1. So if you close the row and the column, you will see what you will left is 3, 1, -1, and 1, right? Then now move on to the third column. Still maintaining the row. Move on to the third column. So on the top, what do we? On the third column, what do you? Okay, can I see that it's fluctuating. I get to know if the network is not good for my YouTube to continue, but I will not know. So we have P is equal to 357 minus 205 46 minus 1. I'm by on 2 network. In case one just goes off, you switch the other one. P is 357 minus 205 46 minus 1. P is 357 minus 205 46 minus 1. Get -2P. Okay, it's better. Hello, Mr. Big Ben. Master Big Ben, welcome, sir. Okay, Mohammed is better. All right, let's continue. Thank you for letting me know. Mr. Larry, thank you so much. Thank you for the roses. Thank you. God bless you, sir. Okay. Row 1, 6, 4 minus 8. Adongo Daniel, thank you for your kind words. Thank you, Adongo. Please give us a follow. Remember, it says -2. So let's do the sharp. We shouldn't waste time on this question, right? -2P means multiplying each of the values here by what? By -2. So now this step by step. 3 times -2. 0 times -2. 6 times -2, right? Am I correct? 7 times -2. 5 times -2. -1 times -2. So let's get our value. 3 times -2 -6. -2 times -2. Minus times -2 is a plus. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times -2 is what? -8. 5 times -2 -10. 0 times -2 is 0. 6 times -2 is -12. 7 times -2 -14. 5 times -2 is -10. -1 times 2 is -2. If this is your answer, clap for yourself. If I make any error, let me know. If there is any error, let me know. We have -6 -10 -14. 4 0 -10 -8 -12. Hey, there's an error. I've seen it. Yes, I've seen it. I didn't put -2 here. So minus times minus is plus. 1 times 2 is 2. So this is 2. Thank you. So our final answer is what we have on the board. Yes, Sarah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. You guys are not tapping again. Keep tapping. To all my gifters, thank you to you all. Thank you all for your engagement so far. If you understand what we just did, kindly type understood in the comments. Kindly type understood in the comments if you understand what we just did. So we can move on to the next one. Type understood Okay, Roy B. Guys, keep tapping on your screen so we have a larger audience, okay? So we have an interesting one. So we have to find the values of t. So that means t has different values here, right? The first value of t here is different from the value of t here. I don't know, but let's try it. I think this should lead to a quadratic equation, but I'm not so sure. I don't know yet. But this should lead to a quadratic equation with the look of things. Can we try this? How many seconds should I give us to try this? Let's try it. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. We have 30 seconds more. We have 20 seconds more. Let's keep going. So okay, Stanley has 4, 3, and minus 2. Okay. Four, 3, and minus 2. 4, 3, and minus 2. Okay. Staffy also has 4, 3. Oh, Staffy has 4, 3, 2. Roy B has 4, 3, minus 2. Okay. Does anyone want to come up, or I should solve it? Does anyone want to come up, or I should solve this? Who wants to come up? Guys, keep tapping on your screen, please. Who wants to come up? Who wants to come up? Hope my network is stable. Oh, please let me know. Hope my network is stable. Yeah, I'll solve it. Yeah, I'll solve it. Yes, we need more answers. Let's see. We need more answers. I don't even understand. Mohammed, so you don't understand. Alright, let's do this. So as usual now, we are looking for the value of t, right? Let me take the other one. Afolabi, you don't understand? Sarah, you don't walk. It's the same thing, though. Like the same procedure. Now, the row, right? Is that 0, 0? Okay. Thank you for the follow. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Today is boring. Nobody is even tapping today. Today is just there. Engagement is low today. I don't know why. Today is what? Today is Friday. Was it because the weekend has started? Everyone is relaxed. Today is just boring. So let's pick the first value of the row. 3 minus 4. Close all the values of the first row and the first column. What will be left is t plus 1, 4, 1, and t minus 2, right? Then we'll move on to the second value on the first row. You know we are doing plus, is a plus minus plus, right? Plus minus plus. So the next one is minus 0. So if you close all the values we have, if I was to write jam, this one that has 0, I'll just leave it out. I know that all my values there will be 0. But just for the sake of explanation, let me explain so we understand. You know, anything you multiply by 0, you have 0. Or should we not discard it since it's 0? But let me show it. Let me just show why it's 0. Now we have 0. If you close the column here at the whole, we'll be left with minus 1, 3, 1, and t minus 2. Right? And then the last value is what? Plus 0. If we close the row and the column, we'll be left with what? We'll be left with minus 1, 3, then c plus 1, and 4. So let's do this now. Here we have t minus 4. Now let's multiply t plus 1, then t plus 1 times t times 2, t minus 2, minus, now 4 times 1, close bracket, then minus 0, the same, minus 1 times t minus 2, then minus 3 times 1, close the bracket, then plus 0, open bracket, minus 1 times 4, minus now 3 times what? C plus 1, close bracket. Now let's simplify this. See, we don't need to open this up because 0 times whatever gives us 0 times this is 0. So this is what we have left. We have t minus 4, then we have t plus 1. Let's open this up. I think we should open it up. T times t is what? T squared. Do I need to open it up? Then t times minus 2 is minus. Is there need to open this up? Is there need to open this up? Comment section, tell me. See what we have left. We have t minus 4, open bracket, t plus 1, t minus 2, then minus 4 times 1 is 4. This is what we have left. So we can equate this to be equal to 0 now. So who can tell me, should I expand or I should leave it that way? Tell me in the comment section, should we expand? Yes, Sarah, I just basically make you so Sarah, I'm glad you understand what I mean. Should I expand this? If we expand, yes, let's expand it because of that t minus 4. Should we expand this? I have that minus 4 there. T minus 4, t plus 1. I should expand. Roy B said no. Sarah said we should expand. Guys, if should contribute, should we expand? Should we expand? We have t minus 4 times t plus 1 times t minus 2. Right? Then 1 times 4, which is the 4. I actually stopped at the expansion. Okay, let's expand and see. Let's expand. We know what we are looking for. We are looking for the values of t, right? So this becomes, let me expand what I have here. T times t is t squared. T times minus 2 is minus 2. T times minus 2t. T times t is t squared. T times minus 2 is minus 2t. 1 times t is plus t, right? Then minus times plus is minus. 1 times 2 gives me 2. Then you know I have a minus 4 here, right? So I have this. Then I have this t minus 4. Let me leave this t minus 4 here. Let's simplify what we have here. So this is equal to 0. So here I have t squared minus 2t plus t is minus t. Then minus 2 minus 6 is minus 2 minus 4 gives us minus 6. So it's better we expanded this. So let's leave this t minus 4. So now we have t squared minus t minus 6. This is a quadratic expression, right? So let's factorize this. Let's factorize t squared minus t minus 6. 1 times 6, you know you pick the term, the coefficient of the first term and the last term, you multiply. 1 times 6 will give us 6. What are the factors of 6? We have 1 and 6, we have 2 and 3. So what can you do to any of these numbers to give you the coefficient of the middle term? The middle term here is minus 1. So which one can we use now? What do we use here? What do we use here? Can we use 1 and 6? Or should we use 2 and 3? Which one should we use? What can we do to 1 and 6 to give us minus 1? If I say 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6 is minus 5, so that will not work. What if I say 2 minus 3? 2 minus 3 is minus 1, right? So it will work for this. So we're going to use plus 2 minus 3. So this becomes t squared plus 2t minus 3t minus 6 is equal to 0. So I take the first two and the last two terms and put them in a bracket. We are factorizing though. So what do? We take the common factors. The first bracket has a common factor of t. So if you factorize t from t squared, you are left with t. If you factorize t from 2t, you have 2 minus, we have 3t minus 6. What's common here is 3. So we have 3. Factorize 3 from 3t, we have 3. Minus times minus. I always tell students, this is a common mistake students make. Remember that this negative sign before the bracket affects the negative, whatever value you have inside the bracket. Please, let's be mindful of that. That's a common mistake. So minus times minus is plus. If you factorize 3 from 6, you're going to be left with plus 2. Right? So remember that, and also take note that whatever you have in the first bracket must be equal with what we have in the second bracket. So factorizing this now gives us t plus 2 and t minus 3. So now let's come back here. Now we have t minus 4. Now this t squared minus t minus 6 now becomes t plus 2, t minus 3 equal to 0. So if t minus 4 is equal to 0, that means t is equal to 4. This is the first value. If t plus 2 is equal to 0, that means t will be equal to what? Minus 2. And if t minus 3 is equal to 0, that means t will be equal to 3. So that means we have 3 answers, 4 minus 2 and 3. 4 minus 2 and 3. If you understand, tell me in the comment section. If you have any question, drop your question. If you are not clear at any point, please drop your question. Hope the comment section is not blocking the solution. Mohammed, you have forgotten, huh? It's been long we did it. Yeah, it's normal. We are here to refresh our brains and to those that will be writing jam this year. Let me even indicate it so anybody that is coming will know what we are doing. There is this my guy that used to always be around. Ola Flows. I've not seen him for some days now. I need to look for him. Okay, Sarah. Sarah, you said you stopped at the expansion. Hope it's clear now. I did not understand from that place you started using brackets. Afolabi, where I started using brackets. I started using brackets from the beginning of the solution. So that means you don't understand the solution from the beginning. Just go through it step by step, or we still have more questions to solve. If you can just hold on. Sarah, it's clear, right? If you can just hold on, so that the more we solve, the more clear it becomes to you, right? Then we'll solve more. So we have 4, minus 2, and 3. So from the options given, the correct answer is option B, though I didn't write out the options. So, kindly market girl, you say, why did I cancel? Okay, were you not around? Did you leave at some point? I cancelled because of the 0. 0 times any value gives us 0. So there was no need solving that again because there's a 0 there. You understand, market girl? Because it's 0. Okay, your network, sorry. 0 times any value is 0. So that's why we just have it there as 0. Please, let me know. Hope this comment section is not blocking this solution here. Guys, keep tapping, though. Keep tapping. Tomorrow I will come live. Sunday I will come live. Okay, the down part back. Let me see what I can do. I'm coming. Sarah, how about now? Is it still blocking it? Let me reduce my tripod. Am I supposed to reduce it or increase it? Give me a moment, let me set my tripod and see if it will work. Just hold on a bit. I'm coming out. I want to set something. I want to set my tripod. Just hold on. I should explain from where I started cancelling. Hold on, let me just set this tripod. Let me see how best I can do this. So that whatever I'm doing doesn't block the board. so that the comment section will not be blocking the solution. Sarah, please be helping me to check or if it's okay. I'm trying to see how best. Sarah, is it in any way better like this? Is it in any way better? Sarah, please let me know. Sarah, is it still blocking it? I should shift the tripod back. My workstation is there. There's how I will shift it now. If I shift it, I don't know. Let me see. Please check how about now. I'm trying to see as much as I can so that the comment section doesn't block the board. Is it better like this? Or should I still adjust it? You could talk to me in the comment though. So that once it's okay, you tell me. Is the four side okay? You mean the four sides of the board they are showing? Ah, but the balance, the tripod not come balance again. Just hold on. I'm coming out to trying to set it. I'm using my engineering skills to set it. Anyway. Please let me know how far. Should I leave it like this? It's okay, alright. Maybe this is how I'll be putting it anytime we have a class. It's okay, alright. Okay. So can we continue? Should I continue? Let me look for the next question. Ma, you won't be able to see the top. How person will do? So let me just see. I'll see how I can manage. Mommy. Sunny, you said you just joined. Sunny on YouTube, you just joined. You will not fail, Jam, inshallah. Don't worry, you will not fail. Don't worry, we are still solving more questions. We are still solving more questions, Sunny. Just take a screenshot of what we have done. Sunny, just take a screenshot of what we have done. We still have more questions to solve. So not to worry, don't worry. Marcos, good evening, you're welcome. Hey, this tripod won't fall down. Tripod is not balanced. That's what's super. Hey! I don't think it's work this way. The tripod is not balanced. This is the best stance. If I leave it in that position, it's sliding. about to fall. Slide it. Now I have to bend it. So the legs are not equal. So let's just manage it like this. I don't know how best to get to position this to. I'm coming. Let me try something. Did you see your head? Your head? The best angle. Sarah, how far? I'm using tripod stand though. Original follow come tripod stand is what I'm using. Hey. Jet tripod stand is what I'm using. I'm trying to see the best way I can do it. By any angle I get now, it will be the angle I will always be using. You can see everything now. Okay, please, I want to try and hang the board on the wall and see if it will still work out that way. Because with these chairs, well, let me see. This chair is, any angle it works now is the angle I will be using every time I have the leg. Let me see. Yes, it's okay now. It's okay. So the comment section is not blocking it back. Okay, we'll be doing this. So I think I'll be using it this way now. Okay. All right, Temitope, thank you. Temitope on YouTube, I can see. Oh, don't show my video. I told you not to show you. Okay. Oh, I've closed the page. Let me get another question. So this is a similar shot to what we just saw now. Should I give options? But let me write the question first. Find the determinant of the matrix in terms of x. Should I drop the options? Yes or no? I drop the options. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. We are still on 9K. Imagine, we are still on 9K likes. I said today is boring. Everywhere is just dry today. Why? Okay. Should I solve this or somebody will come and give it a try? So he's trying this. Find determinant of the matrix x, 1 minus x are 1, 1, 2, 1 plus x, 0, 3, 4. Yeah, we have less than 20 minutes to finish this slide. Let's see if we can solve like 2 or 3 before we finish. Drop your answer in the comments. Okay, let me give options. Let me give the options. So we have 4 options. This question is similar to what we just solved. Alright, Temitope, you can try it. Temitope, try it. This is mass. We do math, chemistry, physics, further math, but we are doing math today, right? Temitope, you can try it. Okay, you can try it. Hope my board is clear, right? Hope the board is clear. So let me just solve it because of time. So we pick the first bin here, the first row, first column, which is x. So if you close all the rows and the column, we'll be left with what? 2, 1 plus x, 3, and 4. Then you know if it's plus, minus, plus, right? Then the next one, minus 1. If you close all the row under the row for the 1 and the column, you'll be left with 1 minus x, 1, 3, and 4. Then plus 0. For 0, we'll be left with what? 1 minus x, 1, 2, 1 plus x. So we can now simplify this, right? So this becomes x, open brackets, 2 times 4 minus 3 times 1 plus x, close the bracket. Then moving on to the next term, we have minus 1, open bracket, 1 minus x times 4 minus 3 times 1 plus 0, open bracket, 1 minus x times 1 plus x, then minus 2 times 1. If you understand what I just did here, I'm just multiplying like this. You are multiplying this way like this. Nothing special. After multiplying, then you subtract. You subtract the two of them together. So this becomes x, so open bracket, 2 times 4 is 8, right? Let me check my YouTube. Please, my YouTube streamers. Hope the board is clear. Check my bio. You see my WhatsApp number there. Okay, or go to Facebook. Search for my page name. You see it on my bio. My page name is the same thing everywhere. All media. All the platforms. My page name is the same thing. Talk on YouTube. 8 minus now. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times x is what? 3x, right? So, bracket, because this negative will affect it. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times x is 3x. Right? Minus 1, open bracket. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times minus x is minus 4x. Minus 3 times 1 is 3, right? Then plus 0. This is not disturbing ourselves. Simplify for that. Let's leave all of this. Becomes 0. Right? So now this becomes x, open bracket, 8 minus 3 Minus times plus is minus, so we have minus 3x minus 1 times 4. Or before doing that, let's simplify what we have inside here. We have 4, or let me collect items, 4 minus 3, then minus 4x. So this becomes x, open bracket, 8 minus 3 will give me what? 5 minus 3x minus open bracket, 4 minus 3 is 1, so I have 1 minus x. So moving on, here I have x open bracket 5 minus 3x. Or before then, let me do it this way. Let me open up this bracket. X times 5 will give me what? 5x. X times minus 3x is minus 3x squared. Minus 1. Minus times minus is plus 4x, right? So rearranging, we have minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 4x minus 1. So this becomes minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 4x is what? Plus 9x, then minus 1. This is what? So it's lowest. Hope there is no error. Hope there is no error. Let me look at the options again. Look at me writing T here. What brought T to this question here? This is 1, and I wrote T. 3x squared minus 17, option A. Minus 3x squared minus 17. Option B, minus 3x squared plus 9x minus 1. Option C, 3x squared minus 17. Option D, 3x squared minus 9x plus 5. So as you can see, the correct option is what? Option B. Minus 3x squared plus 9x minus 1. So hope we are clear. Hope it's clear. If you understand, type understood. If you don't understand, ask your question and be specific. Tell me the point where you do not understand. Don't say I don't understand. Be specific. Please be specific of where you do not understand. Like what point is it you don't understand? Please, let's be specific. Okay. Temitope, you understand the solution, right? All right, good. We have more questions to solve. Yes, my TikTokers. I'm in the comment section now. I'm now back to the comments. Did anybody get it? Sarah, you got 9x plus 3x squared. Hawa, thank you for the follow. Okay, I'm going back to the comments now. Okay. Stanley has minus 3x plus minus 3x squared raised to power 9x. Stanley, that your answer you had was incomplete, right? Please, what answers did we get for the last question? Mr. Marcos, the last question, can I even remember? Let me see if I remember to take a shot of the page because I keep forgetting to wait. Let me check. Okay, Mr. Marcos, we got 4 minus 2 and 3. The last question you're asking. Mr. Marcos. Sarah, you got 9x plus 3x squared. So Sarah, your answer was not correct. Which answer am I even seeing here? Or was it for the other question? The handwriting is small. Okay. I didn't know the handwriting is small. I have a new marker today. So the mark is very sharp. Maybe that's why the handwriting is small. I'll make it bigger. Joe, thank you for the roses. God bless you, Joe. Hello. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Marco, you say it's correct, right? Okay. There's another way. Abdulaziz Khalid, she's better. Thank you. Yes. Amidu Bello, thank you for your concern. We'll soon finish. We have just 15 minutes more. Okay, Mr. Marcos, you have another approach to that question. Just, is it just say hello or just? Sorry if I don't pronounce your name well. Thank you. Thank you for the roses. Mr. Marcos, do you want to come up and help us with that? Sarah, you said there is -1. Okay, you answer. Okay. Mr. Marcos, okay. This is the last question we are solving, though, because me too, I'm tired. After this one, we're not doing another one. Okay, Amigo, good night. See you in my next class. Hello, Mr. Marcos, good evening. Good afternoon, or irrespective of your location. You're welcome. Yes, sir. I hope you had a good day. All right. Okay, so are you talking about the same question or the previous one we solved? Okay. Okay. So I should clean the board, right? Okay. Okay. And the options, right? Hey, I didn't even take a shot of this. Forgot it. Okay. Should I clean the options? The way are we going to work with the options so there's no need? Okay, I should clean it. Alright. Okay. Alright, go on, sir. Okay, so yeah, I have X, 2. Okay, somebody complained of my handwriting. I should write out the question itself, the matrix itself. I should repeat it. Okay, so I have X, 1 minus X, 1, 1, 2, 1 plus X, then 0, 3, 4, right? Okay. On the same line, so I should repeat by the side. Okay. X. Okay. Okay. So this is still X1 and 0, 1 minus X, 2 and okay. And the sec okay, okay. That is X, 1 minus X and 1, right? Then 1, 2, 1 plus X. Okay. Okay. So you mean like this? Okay. X times 2 times 4, that is 8x. Okay. Uh-huh. It will be 1, 3, 1, like this. Yes. Okay. Plus 3. Okay. Mm-hmm. 0. That will be 0. Uh-huh. Okay. I've done that. So that means I'll be having 1 minus x up to 4, like this. So this will give me 4 open brackets 1 minus x, right? Okay. So the next diagonal is like this. Okay, that is 3x. So this will be 3x open bracket 1 plus x plus 0 times 2 times 1. That will be 0. Okay, we are done. Alright. 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 Okay. So this will, alright. This will be 3x plus 3 minus 4 times 1 is 4. Then 4 times minus x is minus 4x. Plus 3 times 3x times 1 is 3x. 3x times x is plus 3x squared. Then plus 0. Okay, so this becomes 8x plus 3 minus 4 plus 4x minus 3x minus 3x squared. So this becomes, rearranging, I have minus 3x squared plus 8x plus 4x minus 3x minus 3, plus 3 minus 4. This becomes minus 3x squared. 8x plus 4x is 12x. 12 minus 3 is 9 plus 9x plus 3 minus 4 is minus 1. And this was the answer we got. Mr. Marcos, where do you learn all of this? Where do you Mr. Marcos, where do you learn all of these math tricks from? Wow, this is interesting. This is interesting. Yeah, wow. This is interesting. Guys, what do you have to say in the comments? We have minus 3x squared plus 9x minus 1. Yes, I'm just comparing the answers now. This is really interesting. Thank you so much, Mr. Marcos. Thank you, sir. I'll be in the comments. I'm using my back camera today. Wow, Chef B, thank you so much for the perfume. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the gifts. Yeah. So everyone, let's thank Mr. Marcos in the comment section. Thank you so much, sir. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, so I'm reading comments. I'm reading the comments. Okay. Okay, Sarah said I've seen this method before. I think it's diagonal something. Okay, somebody also had she had an idea about it. Chef B, thank you so much. Thank you for the gift. Yes, Temi says she loves the method. Yes, I love this method too. Okay, so Mr. Marcos, does this work for 2 by 2 matrix or is only for 3 by 3? Okay. Okay. Afolabi's okay. Alright, sir. Okay. Mr. Marcus always has a way of keeping me, even if I want to go. Okay, sir. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. Let me write out the other one. Okay, thank you for the follow, guys. Please keep tapping on your screen. Keep tapping. Keep tapping. Okay. So, the other question we saw, the previous one. Let's see if I have tried to show something. Okay. Mr. Marcos, the previous one we solved, were you around? You saw the question, then you left, right? I don't know if this is the question you're talking about. This one, where we have to find the value for t. Okay, yes, okay. Okay, so this is it. So we should use the same diagonal method, right? I first have to copy out, okay, 0 t plus 1, 4, 0, 1, t minus 2. Then here I have t minus 4 minus 1 and 3, 0, t plus 1 and 4. So we take the diagonal. So where do I start from? 0, t, like this, right? Oh, yes, this way. Okay. Yes. Here is t plus 1, 0. Okay, so we start from the t minus 4 like this, then 0 like this, like this. Alright, so we multiply. So we have t minus 4, t plus 1, t minus 2, right? Then, Mr. Michael, should I just leave this to be 0? This is 0, this is 0 already. So, there are zeros. Oh, I'm already shutting down, Mr. Marcos. I'm already shutting down. Okay, yeah, I get it. Like this, then like this. So minus, here is 0 already, right? Then this becomes 4 multiplied by t minus 4. This also is 0. Equal to 0. Since this is also 0. Yes. Alright. So we have t. Okay. That's sweet. That's so interesting. So here we are left with t plus 1, t minus 2, right? Okay, we have t minus 4. So we have minus, so here we'll be left with minus 4, right? Equal to 0. Alright, sir. Okay, t minus 4 equals to 0, or t plus 1, t minus 2, minus 4. Am I to put the minus 4 there? No. This is equal to 0. Then is part of it the minus 4? Alright, minus 4 equal to 0, right? Okay, so here already we have that t is equals to 4. Yeah, so I expand this bracket, right? Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Equals 0. Okay. Okay. Like this. So will this be 5 minus 3 or 5 plus 3? Yes, sir. Plus 2. 2t. Yes. Okay, that's a short way of doing that. Instead of, yes. So you just take the square. Oh, yes. Alright, I get it. Guys, hope you understand what Mr. Marcus means. He's just showing us the shortcut method of how to expand two brackets instead of going through that long process. Okay, sir. So that's clear. Thank you so much. So we can continue from here, right? So here we have t squared minus t minus 6 is equal to 0, right? Okay. So we are going to take the fact. Yes. Yes. Alright. So that means c is equal to 3 or t is equal to minus 2. So I just understood what you did here. Instead of going through that long process, we know, okay, though I know this shortcut, I know it already. I know it before now. Okay. So guys, hope you understand what Mr. Marcus did here. So this is a shorter method compared to what we did. The other method though is not too long, but this is a shorter method. It's correct, right? Okay. Thank you. So do we have, if you are clear with this, or if you're not clear at any point, please ask your question in the comment section. If you are clear with it, let's appreciate Mr. Marcus in the comments. And if you're not clear as well, kindly drop your question in the comments. Okay. Okay, so I'm in the comment. Thank you, Mr. Marcus, once more. Thank you, sir. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Okay, so let me go to the comments and see what they have to say there. It's interesting. Someone has to be careful. Yeah, generally, if you're solving math problems, you have to be careful, irrespective of the topic, right? Guys, thank you for the follow. Keep tapping on your screen. Yes, Sarah, it's almost 12 and now it's past 12. Yeah. There's one more thing we want to do. Stanley says, I am not sure about 2 by 2. This method is called Saru's method, only for 3 by 3. Okay, Mr. Marcus, somebody just clarified us that he's not sure it will work for 2 by 2. Okay. So guys, what do you think in the comments? Should we test for 2 by 2? Yes. Okay. Somebody said we should explain the method. How? Me, I don't think I can explain this method again. Let's see. This is the second time I can't explain from the beginning. Let me see. What do they call this method? What is the name of this method? Is this Saros method or what do they call it? Okay. Alright. Yes. Somebody, Prof said the determinant of 2 by 2 is straightforward. Yes, yes, it's straightforward, but we just want to see if it will work. But I don't know, did we have any question? Let me check. Mr. Marcus, let me check if I had a similar question with this 2 by 2. The 2 by 2 matrix we have is multiplying 2. Like when you have the matrix X and Y, multiplying the two of them together. That's the only question we did for 2 by 2 tonight. What is the name of this method? Saros method. Okay. Everybody's saying that it is meant for 3 by 3. Saros method. I might have my circle of audience might be small compared to other tutors who teach online. But believe me, I have good heads here. I appreciate each and every one of you because everybody, one way or the other, have something meaningful to say during every live session. There's no day I come live that one or two persons will not come to my DM and say, I learned something new today in your live session. This was what I learned. This was what I learned. It happens every day. And I have good people who come around to come and share their knowledge. And I'm grateful. I do not take any one of you here for granted. Beautiful boy, good morning. You're welcome. Thank you so much, Mr. Marcos. You have been a blessing on this platform. Anytime I see you here, we are always glad. To everyone who has contributed one way or the other, thank you so much. Thank you, Prof. Thank you, Prof. Your contribution has always been very helpful as well, I must confess. Mr. Marcos, let me see if I can get a question similar to this for 2 by 2. The same idea used about that. Let me just check. The 2 by 2, the matches we saw for 2 by 2 was just for us to multiply for x and y. I have this question. This one is 2 by 2. V is this, P is this, Q is this. We have to find for U and V. So just give me a moment. If you are just joining, thank you for coming in. Please, oh, this one is also 3 by 3. Okay, Mr. Marcos, let me just, I wanted us to solve this question. There's this question I wanted us to solve, but maybe I will continue with the live tomorrow. But I don't know the time I will come live tomorrow. Or tomorrow I won't be able to come in the morning because I have a lot of private sessions to take tomorrow. So maybe I'll come in the night, 9 or 10 p.m. Between 9 to 10 p.m. I'll come live. I still have more interesting questions. I have one interesting question about, because Mr. Marcos wants to test something. Let's try this question and see. Did I take a shot of this? I can't remember. Mr. Marcos, look at this question here. It says we're required to find the value of x and y. But I don't think if this is similar to what we just did. This is not the kind of question you mean, right? Not a question of this nature, right? Okay. Okay. Just a moment. Let me just check it out. Okay. Alright, so Mr. Marcos, I should do the same, right? Let's see if it works. Guys, we just want to test. Yeah, Mr. Marcos wants to test if it will work. So should I drop the options in case so we can compare and see if our answer is correct at the end of the day? Let me just drop the options. It says 3. So don't worry. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to have 2 minus 1 minus 3 and 4. So now am I going to repeat only the first column? Okay. So we go this way, this way. So this becomes 8. What are we doing? Are we adding or subtracting? I've forgotten. Plus, right? Okay. Minus 3 minus 1, that is 3. No, 3. 3 times 1 is 3, right? Oh, okay, yes. Oh, this is matrix. This is matrix. Let me see. All the determinant questions I've come across, they are 3 by 3. Yes. Or let's see if I go, yes, so let's see if I search extra. If I go further to look for, you see, this one is 2 by 2, but it's matrix. Unless maybe if I can get a question on determinant for 2 by 2. But that will not be tonight. So I don't know if you'll be around tomorrow, same time. Or should I send you a DM if I'm about to come live? Mr. Marcos. Is that there? Is Mr. Marcos there? Okay. I think Mr. Marcos is not there, right? Okay, let me check my comments section. Okay, it's muted. Yes, this is simultaneous. This is not determinant question. Okay. Olami, thank you for the gifts. God bless you. God bless every one of you. Guys, it's already past 12. It's almost 12:30 midnight here. So I'm actually exhausted at the moment. We're going to continue tomorrow. I will not be available in the morning because of my work, but I'm going to continue tomorrow. Be around tomorrow 9 p.m. Yes, tomorrow 9 p.m. God's willing, I'll be around. So for those that want to join us, Mr. Marcos will be here. I will send him a DM so you come up. So if you have any question, drop your question in the comments. Guys, I'm on almost 11k. Can you guys take me to 15k so that I'll just go? I'm not asking of 20k, guys. Just 15k. And we are almost there. Mr. Marcos, if you're back, thank you so much, sir. We appreciate you. Roy B, thank you to Prof. Stanley, everyone that was with me from the beginning. Thank you all. Whether I call your name or not, thank you. God bless you all. Mr. Larry, thank you for your gift every day. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you all. To those that just joined us today for the first time, hope you enjoyed the class. Hope you learned one or two. Hope you at least were able to pick one or two. Hope at least this Saros method, some of us didn't know it. Hope we now know it, right? So for every time you come to my life, I know there is always something to learn. Well, we always have one or two things to learn from one or two persons here. People here are not stingy with knowledge. They're always ready to. Yes, Mr. Marcos? Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Okay, you want us? Mr. Marcos. Mr. Marcos doesn't want me to go. Mr. Marcos doesn't want me to go. Catch him in. Mr. Marcos, please let me please just, sir, I'm sorry I may not be able to continue because my husband also said he wants that I should just pack up. There's something he wants to do in the parlor as well. You know, I'm using my parlor. So he has been waiting for me. He's supposed to start at 12. He just gave me some few more minutes and he wants to start now. So I'll be a distraction. Yes. So please sorry everyone. So we're going to continue tomorrow. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Mark. Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you. Amen. Thank you. Sir? Mr. Mark, I said. Okay, is that it works? Okay. All right, sir. Okay. All right, thank you. Thank you once more.